Here I have OUKITEL K13 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open the camera, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and then go to the picture size. And here you can change picture sizes like with aspect ratios, so you have like 4:3, 16:9, 18:9, and yeah, only these resolutions, I mean aspect ratios. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.